Hello everyone, this is John with Cazoomi. So in this video, I'll show you how sync scheduling works here in SyncApps. So basically, sync scheduling would be the last step. Once you have configured correctly your step 1 to 4 based on your automation workflow. So let's take a look. So in my screen here, I have a setup name, sync scheduling test setup. So I'm in step 5. So I have already enabled the sync scheduling. By the way, if this was disabled, you should run the setup manually. But in this instance, I'll show you how it works when this feature is enabled. So once you have toggled this one, then you can then see the sync interval section here. So let's say, for example, you wanted to run your setup every 5 minutes, then all you need is to specify it here. So let's say, for example, I put 5 in here, then the setup would run every 5 minutes. Now, if you wanted to run it every 12 hours or 24 hours, then all you need is to tap the drop down and change it to hours and also the number to 24 or 12 hours as well. And if the requirement is to run only on a specific days, then all you need is to tap the sync on specific days. Then let's say, for example, I'll specify it here to run it every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Then the setup won't run on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. And the sync time here, this would be the time range uh, of when would be the first sync trigger. So all you need is to tap the drop down here, and you can then select the time range of when would be the first sync triggers. And the more options here, basically, I'll give you a quick overview of each of this feature. So let's say, for example, you're doing some migrating some data from your CRM going into your marketing automation solution, right? So if this is feature is enabled, you can then specify a specific date criteria. Then SyncApp system would only look to those records based on what you have specified it here. So only those records will be pulled during the synchronization process from your CRM going into your marketing automation solution. And also the migrating campaign metrics. So by default here in SyncApps, we only retrieve campaigns back 30 days. But if you wanted to get those data or information for the campaigns that you have sent out more than 30 days, like 60, 90, 120 days, or even 1,000 days, this feature will do the magic. So once this is enabled, all you have to do is to specify the specific days here. Then SyncApps would automatically catch those one and sync it back into your CRM like Salesforce and NetSuite as well. And run multiple concurrent integrations. So here in SyncApps, by default, you can only run one setup at a time. But let's say, for example, you have 5 setups and and the sync scheduling is running every 5 minutes. So once this is enabled, then you wanted to run them based on their sync scheduling like every 5 minutes, this will do the magic. So all of the 5 setups will run at the same time. And lastly, reset sync scheduling. This is one of the most powerful feature as well here in SyncApps because because this feature will look both systems anew and would also true up both systems. So once you tap the drop down here, you can then select either to run it every 8 hours, 24 hours, weekly, or monthly. That's it. Again, this is John with Kazumi. For more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell.